Pardon? This one. This one here? Okay. It smells good food here though. We definitely haven't been walking here. So this is NAIF, yeah? NAIF Museum is down here. Aras. Look at the bike. Wow.
Hello.
Hello. Right, so guys, we're currently in NAIF, near NAIF Museum. This is the name of the restaurant. We're going to have this thali here. It's going to make us this thali. He says he's going to make it unlimited, so we'll be just going for more thali. Amazing. They have a lot of food.
They have a lot of food.
They have biryani, they have pani puri.
Oh, we should definitely have pani puri.
Thali, yeah?
Thank you. What are these?
What is this? This seems like we have vegetable here. What is this?
We need to get some drinks.
Can we have some drinks? Chai?
Yeah, I think so. Thank you.
Thank you.
How many did you get? I only got one. I don't know, but it's nice.
It's very, very nice. Very vegetable.
That one's definitely cauliflower. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, nobody, yeah, we don't have Thali with drink. We have the drink after.
Lassi sweet or lassi salty? Mango lassi, I'll have sweet.
That's potato. These are vegetable, no meat.
He fills them up. Are you hungry, Miss?
Yeah.
If you want biryani later on, I'll just have pani puri or something like that. Just so I've got something. This one.
What is this?
Indian kitchen.
And this one's what this is.
Indian biryani.
Oh, Indian biryani, yeah.
What are your favourites?
Thank you.
Oh, this is not good.
This is nice as well.
Huh?
It's nice as well.
This one is probably my least favourite.
And it looks like a mushroom there.
Mushrooms?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, yeah, possibly.
Or more bread. Right. So guys, this is what we had here. We're having this. It's 100% vegetarian. It says it's 14 dirham, but we don't know because we ordered like an unlimited version. So let's see how much the bill is. But the food is delicious. Jay is still eating though. Beautiful food.